I'm 18 weeks, 5 days. Whoa, living on a prayer. I'm almost half-baked. That's what they call it. Like, they all get their, like, little pictures and it's half-baked. I'm fully baked right now. No, you're still growing. No worries. I'm always half-baked. Okay, I really should go get this laundry. I just don't want to put all the laundry away. That's the worst part of it all, is putting laundry away. But I think I'll have my husband do that, because for me to walk around a lot is tough. Tough. Yes, make him do it. He does everything right now. I feel a lot of guilt because I am on bed rest 24/7. But I'm trying not to be. I'm supposed to be, but I'm trying not to be because I feel like a lazy piece of shit. So I try to do what I can do. In our house, my husband's been working till like 10 o'clock every night. Been working from like 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. And that's not his usual schedule. He's usually a 6 to like 5. But he's had a lot of work, and he's had to drive all the way like 4 to 6 hours away. He's cheating. He's a cheater. Good on him. Anyways, so he drives quite a ways away to work, and then yeah. Chris, thank you for the heart me. Honestly, I'd cheat too. I'm a piece of shit wife right now, so. He's not, y'all. I'm just kidding. Thank you for the rose. Why'd I delete videos? Ask TikTok why they delete videos. I cheat? No, I said he'd probably cheat. Cheat with me, life is short. Thank you for the heartbeat. I can't deal with more than one man at a time. I got enough on my plate. I got 2 kids and a husband. That's 3.5 kids right there. Good night. Thank you. Oh, yeah, sorry. I'll be y'all's wife now. But y'all better come clean my house and put away my laundry and help me out everywhere. Okay? Thank you for the GGs. Thank you for the TikToks. Thank you for the TikToks. Thank you for the GGs. Thank you for the ice cream cones. And the TikToks and the GGs and the TikToks and the ice creams and the GGs. You'll cook shirtless? Great. I can't pump. I'm pregnant. I don't make milk like that. Thank you for all the gifts. You had a vasectomy? Oh, nice. I'm glad you had a vasectomy. Slay. My husband's thinking about it. Same, got one a few years ago. Hell yeah, nice. Thanks. I need to go get this laundry, y'all. I don't want to, though. I have to get off my bed and then get back on my bed. And that's just a lot. Thank you. Okay, we got this. Hell yeah! Since 08. 8 more. I don't want 8 more. I have 3. Well, 2.5. I only need 1 more. Or no more. But I want to adopt the rest. Okay. We're getting out of bed this time. For real, for real. I'm done talking about it. I'm doing it. Ugh. Light up that gift gallery, y'all. Thanks. By the way, my house is a mess, so if you see something in the background, mind your fucking business, okay? Okay, here we go. Out to the car. Vroom, vroom. Oh. Also, my joints, not good. Okay. We're almost to the car. I didn't throw up. It's really good. I guess it could be noble of adoption, but yeah. I'm going out to my car to get my laundry. And a Tootsie Roll. See my laundry in my car. It's pretty much folded. So I also have to go inside, change laundry in my in-laws' house. Ugh. Oops. Okay. Oh, I was gonna grab my brush too, so I can brush his hair. Okay. Brush. And clean it out a little bit. Hairy. Alright, here we go. Why does everyone guest request? 2 guest requests right now. Weirdos. You're not coming on as a guest. I've actually had guests on before, but oh, goodness. Everything's falling. I made it up 1 set of steps. Okay. I'm also going to grab my tripod so then I can set you guys up the proper way. Come on. Tripod in my hands. Here we go. Okay. There's a lot of laundry to do. There's this basket and this basket. So solid. And there's another basket inside. And some laundry in the washer. So that laundry is not mine. but I still have to fold it. So, yeah. You guys are going right there. Okay. We're gonna grab some hangers. Whoops. Oh man, I do not feel good. I'll keep going. I got this. Alright. All those hangers. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Maybe. Put this towel away. Okay, one towel down. I'm coming. Y'all be patient for me, please. I'm back. Kind of. You're my crotch. My bad. Okay. Hi. We're back. I'll brush my hair first. You need to reduce your calorie intake? Oh, trust me. There's been like 0 calorie intake. Can't really reduce that. Thank you for the wink winks, Mr. President. Hello, Cold Rain. I've been good. I'm pregnant, so that's why you haven't seen me on. I get really sick when I'm pregnant. You haven't seen every inch of me, so wild. But thanks. I have big knots in my hair. Ugh. It's kind of a rat's nest. It's okay. Hello, everyone. We are getting all the knots out of our hair today.